Today I want to tell you how you can deal with boredom in your meditation session. Sometimes we feel like we can't meditate because we feel like we're really bored, right? And the thing is, our mind is balancing and we need to take care of it and be gentle. So first thing is noticing that you're bored and noticing that the reason is because we are addicted to stimuli, to pleasure, to activity, productivity, coming, going, and we are withdrawing from those stimuli. And in the same way as it happens with the drug or with food addiction or with other kinds of attachments we have, this is going to happen with meditation when we withdraw from all these things that we find pleasurable. So first thing is noticing that, and then the things you can do to counteract that boredom are: number one, you can do a loving kindness meditation. Loving kindness meditation is sending love to all sentient beings. But with that sending of love, you want to send the wish that everybody finds peace and happiness and be free from suffering. So you can visualize rays of light from your heart reaching all sentient beings, bringing them happiness, peace, everything they need. Or just feel it within your heart and kind of think, I'm doing this meditation so I can balance my mind, so I can be a better person, so I can be of benefit to others. And then another thing you can do is going out for a walk, exercising a little bit, doing some yoga, and then taking a cold shower. That really helps, guys. It kind of makes you feel alive and with a purpose, because you know the purpose is meditating in order to liberate yourself from those attachments, from those cravings, from that grasping to everything, and liberating yourself from that boredom, which is the symptom of a mind that is out of balance, and a symptom of a mind that is going to the other extreme. If it doesn't have overstimulation, it starts sinking. So we want to find a balance, and sometimes exercise and a walk and some cold water on the face or a shower can help. And then you go back to meditation and you spend some minutes reflecting on why it's important to meditate. How can you transform your mind and become a better person to be of benefit to others? And the other thing you can do is feel gratitude and think of all the things, all the wonderful things you have in your life right now. And especially in this moment, you have a body that is healthy, or maybe you're not feeling very healthy, but in this moment, your body is okay. I mean, we're talking about mental boredom. And when this is arising, but all the other conditions are there, your body can see it, you're not like physically tired or in pain, and you can actually focus on your meditation object, the breath, for example, and you feel healthy, you feel okay, you have the conditions, the environment is quiet, you have all those things that sometimes you complain you cannot meditate because there is noise or your body is feeling achy, in pain. And now, in this moment, the only thing that is not allowing you to meditate is boredom. So in that case, you start reflecting on why you should feel grateful for the conditions you have right now, because you might not have them tomorrow. You might be sick tomorrow, or another condition having a lot of noise next to you, or something that is causing obstacles in your meditation. So boredom is just a mental obstacle, and we're doing the meditation in order to balance our mind and overcome that boredom. So even if you're bored, just sit as your intended session, as you planned beforehand to have certain meditation sessions, and sit and observe your breath. Even if you're bored, watch it, and slowly you will start finding that is peaceful, that is blissful, that it has other qualities, and you will start feeling that interest to be focused and to be engaged with your meditation object. So let me know if you have other antidotes, other ideas of how to deal with boredom, and share them so that we can all learn from each other. Thank you.